Hello, children. In today's reading session, we'll be doing or we will be revising our ICT chapter Fun with Paint. Okay, this reading session we are going to use as ICT lesson, right? So, today we are going to revise this chapter. It's going to be all verbal or oral. You don't have to write anything here. Today, I won't be telling you anything because I hope I have already explained this chapter very well to you. Okay, so I will only be asking you few questions and you have to give answers to those questions to yourself. Okay, so that you can evaluate that whether you are clear with all the concepts of this chapter or not. Okay, whether you have understood this chapter or not. And if you find any kind of loop or any kind of space somewhere, or you find any kind of difficulty or any doubt, you can call me, ask me anytime. Okay, children? All right, so I start with my question. You have to give answers to yourself. Which tool is this? What is the name of this tool? Okay, I hope you have given answer to yourself. Let me go to some other tool. Which tool do you think is this? Which tool is this? Okay, my second question for you is I will not show you anything, but I will ask you that which tool you will use to draw a circle? Which tool you will use to draw a circle? I tell you the answer to this is oval tool. With help of oval tool you can draw a circle. Right. Okay, now tell me which tool is this? Which tool is this? Okay, my next question is, can you draw a square with rectangle tool? Can you draw a square with rectangle tool? Yes or no? The answer is yes, you can draw. And which tool is this? It's a line, so it's line tool. Okay, now which tool is this? What is the name of this tool? Yes, this is size button. Now tell me, what is the use of this size button? Yes, this size button is used to change the thickness of the line or the size of the line. You can see different sizes of line here. This is thickest and this is the thinnest. Right? Okay, let me ask you a few more questions. Which tool you will use? I'm not going to show you anything, just listen to the question. Which tool you will use to fill color in an object? Which tool you will use to fill color in an object? Yes, the right answer is fill with color. Fill with color. This is the fill with color tool. Okay, the easiest one, which tool is this? Brushes tool. Absolutely right. Okay, now I will ask you a few questions like, where do you make drawings in paint? Where do you make drawings in paint? Yes, come on, answer me. Where can you make drawings in paint? Yes, you can make drawings in the drawing area. In the drawing area. Okay, my next question is, which button you will use to change the thickness of a line? Which button you will use to change the thickness of the line? Yeah, that's right. Size button. You will use size button. Okay, my next question is, If by mistake you have done wrong drawing or your line is not straight, then which tool you will use? If you want to erase your drawing, which tool you will use? Now it must be very easy for you. Yes, eraser tool. Absolutely right. Eraser tool will be used to erase anything in the paint. Okay kids, so today we have revised. Okay, no, one more thing I want to ask you, and that is, what are the 4 steps to open the paint? What are the 4 steps to open the paint? Yes, what is step number 1? Step number 1 is click on start button. Absolutely right. And step number 2 is choose all programs. Choose all programs. That's right. And what is step number 3? Choose accessories. And step number 4, click on paint. Let's revise quickly. Number 1, click on start button. Number 2, choose all programs. Number 3, choose accessories. And number 4, click on paint. So we have revised this chapter, and tomorrow one worksheet or test worksheet will be sent to you. I hope you all do well in that. Okay kids, bye bye. Keep learning, keep enjoying life.